In life, there are many things that you'll learn from family, friends, and your world at large. This experience can either set you up to fail or provide a roadmap to reaching all of your hopes and dreams. And nowhere is this more true than when it comes to personal finances. The Puzzle was created to teach teens and young adults how to build strong financial habits. These habits will empower, educate, and provide the clarity needed to establish financial goals and make them a reality. Author Anthony W. Bernard breaks down complicated concepts into easy-to-understand instructions that will help young adults prepare for a lifetime of financial responsibility. Help secure a successful future for those you love by teaching them how to put together their own financial puzzle.